So this is the newest procedure called Keravive, and this is done by the esthetician. It uses the off-the-shelf growth factors as well, and it involves a 3-step process. 2 of the steps are done in the office and 1 is done at home. The first step is cleansing and exfoliating using an AHA/BHA solution with the hydrofacial. This step thoroughly cleanses the scalp to optimize the penetration of the off-the-shelf growth factors. The concept is to try to improve the entire scalp health, not just in the areas of hair loss. Even in a freshly shampooed hair, you will notice significant debris collected with this procedure. So some of the growth factors included in the serum are epidermal growth factor, which improves keratin secretion leading to thicker and denser hair. VEGF, vascular endothelial growth factor, which improves vascularity to the scalp. Basic fibroblast growth factor, BFGF, which stimulates fibroblasts and cell growth. And then thymosin beta 4, which gives a sustained effect on the scalp microcirculation. So the second part of the procedure is hydrating and nourishing the scalp. And this is done with the Keravive growth factors. Attention is directed to the areas of hair loss where more passes are done, but the entire scalp is treated as well, again to improve the entire scalp health. The entire procedure takes approximately 30 minutes. A series of 3 is highly recommended. After a series of 3, a study noted 75% improvement in hair fullness, 72% improvement in overall hair appearance, and 64% improvement in overall confidence by the patient. Following the hydrate and nourishing step, the scalp is massaged thoroughly. Step 3 involves extend and enhance, and that is done at home. That's when you use the Keravive peptide complex spray twice a day. The material shown is what was removed during the step 1 of the procedure in a hair that was recently shampooed. So you can see that there is significant debris even in a clean scalp.